Hi, mates. Today, we're diving deep into the latest Fiverr Mate version, packed with powerful features that can boost your gig SEO strategy and help you rank to the first page. Imagine getting more orders, more clicks, and more success. Well, sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. Gig SEO isn't the only secret to ranking higher. You also need to focus on other key factors, which I'll reveal in this video. If you think gig SEO alone is a magic bullet, you might be in for a surprise. In this video, I'll not only review all the features step by step, but also share some insider tips and tricks along the way, things that most people overlook but can make a huge difference. So, are you ready to discover the real game changers? Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss this. Let's jump in. First, let's install Fiverr Mate on your Chrome browser. For the best experience, we recommend installing it on a new Chrome profile. This ensures a clean setup, and since Fiverr Mate doesn't require your Fiverr login credentials, or even for you to be logged in, you can rest assured that it's completely safe to use. To get started, simply go to Google and search for Fiverr Mate Chrome extension. Click on the first search result, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, you can search directly in the Chrome Web Store if that's more convenient. Once you're there, click the Add to Chrome button, and in just a few seconds, the extension will be added to your profile. After installation, click on the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser and pin it for easy access. Just click on extension icon again. If you're a new user, select the Register button, which will take you to the Syntaximos registration page. Create a new account there and log in. Since I already have an account, I'll log in directly. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the All Extensions tab and click on the plus icon to add Fiverr Mate to My Add-ons for free. Then, navigate to the My Add-ons section, where you'll see that you've successfully subscribed to Fiverr Mate. Next, click on the extension icon again and select Login. It will ask you to authorize the connection. Go ahead and approve it. This step simply links your Chrome extension to your account. And that's it. As you can see, we've successfully authenticated the extension, and it's now ready to use. All right, let's navigate to Fiverr. Keep in mind that some features may not be available depending on your subscription plan. For this video, I'll be using a premium subscription so I can show you all the features in action. Let's start with feature number 1, the search analytics. This feature allows you to type any keyword into the search bar, and after a moment, you'll see analytics for that keyword. The results include the gig count and a dominating level. The dominating level indicates the seller levels most commonly found on the first page for that keyword. This gives you a clear idea of the competition. The higher the dominating level, the tougher it will be for you to rank, as it reflects both the gig count and the seller levels. Generally, a lower gig count is better, but if you're a higher level seller, you can worry less about the competition. This feature is a great way to assess your chances of ranking for specific keywords. For this demonstration, I've searched for the example keyword logo design to showcase the other features. Your page will likely look similar with a modified search results layout. Pretty amazing, right? This extension is designed specifically with sellers in mind. Now, let's dive into feature number 2, Keywords Analyzer. This feature works for both suggested keywords and search keywords in a similar way. Let's start with search keywords. This tool allows you to crawl Fiverr's recommended keywords and their analytics, so you can effectively target them in your gigs. To use it, click on the menu button and then hit Generate. This will produce a list of keywords. You can keep generating to expand the list as much as you like. Initially, you'll see 0 analytics for these keywords. Don't worry, just click the Analyze Keywords button, and it will start live crawling data from Fiverr. This process takes some time, but it ensures you're getting the latest information, so be patient. Once the data is loaded, you'll see analytics for each keyword, including details like the number of competitors, average orders, average revenue, average reviews, average ratings, dominating level, and recommendations. The standout metrics here are the average orders and average revenue tabs, as they provide actionable insights beyond just competitors and dominating levels, which we covered in the previous feature. When selecting keywords to target, focus on those with a decent number of orders and revenue. Targeting keywords with little to no activity won't benefit you. Ideally, look for keywords with a high number of orders in queue, high revenue, fewer competitors, and a lower dominating level. These factors indicate a strong target keyword. Fiverr Mate simplifies all of this for you, making it easier to make informed decisions about which keywords to target. Feature number 3, Gig Metadata Downloader. This feature is a game changer for sellers. Simply click on the menu item labeled Gigs Metadata, and you'll be able to download all the related metadata used by sellers on the current page as a CSV file. The metadata includes gig titles, links, tags, Q&A, and descriptions, all neatly organized and ready for your analysis. In previous videos, I've explained how to effectively leverage this data to gain insights and improve your gigs. The best part? You don't need to waste time copying and pasting data one by one. With just a single click, you'll have a fully prepared CSV file, saving you hours of manual work. This feature streamlines the entire process, giving you all the information you need for better gig optimization and analysis. Feature number 4, Gigs Sorter. The Gigs Sorter feature allows you to sort Fiverr gigs effortlessly based on various factors. To use it, click on the Sort Gigs menu item, and a pop-up will appear on the left side of your browser. This tool is perfect for analyzing gigs and organizing them to suit your preferences. You can sort gigs by seller levels, favorite count, rating count, and order count. For example, if you want to see only level 1 sellers, simply select level 1. All gigs will instantly sort, displaying level 1 sellers at the top. Need to narrow it down further? You can. While keeping the level 1 filter active, select another factor, say gig favorite count. The gigs will now sort by favorite count in descending order, while still showing level 1 sellers first. This feature makes it easy to filter gigs according to your preferences with just a click. No more manually searching. Everything is organized for you, saving time and enhancing your analysis. Give it a try and see how much easier it makes your research. Feature number 5, Gigs Saver. This Gig Saver feature is a powerful tool for organizing gigs during your analysis, even without being logged into Fiverr. Unlike Fiverr's built-in saving feature, Fiverr Mate allows you to save gigs based on your target keywords for later review. For example, let's say you're analyzing gigs for the keyword logo design. To save a gig, simply click on the plus icon in the top right corner of each gig card. Wait a moment until a check mark appears, indicating that the gig has been successfully saved. Once you've saved a few gigs, you can view them by navigating to the Fiverr Mate menu and clicking on Saved Gigs. This will open a panel showcasing your saved gigs. The left panel displays the list of keywords you've saved gigs under, allowing you to navigate between different keyword groups. The right panel shows the actual gigs you've saved, complete with their analytics. From here, you can delete gigs, refresh analytics to get the latest data, or even click on a gig title to visit the actual gig on Fiverr. This feature isn't just a gig save, it's an all-in-one tool for tracking and analyzing gigs efficiently. Whether you want to organize gigs by keyword, update analytics, or review specific gigs, everything is just a click away. It's an amazing way to simplify your analysis. Feature number 6, Mate AI. Let's set up Fiverr Mate for its AI features. First, ensure you've submitted a valid OpenAI API key to Fiverr Mate. Click on the extension icon, navigate to the Mate AI tab, and enter your API key. If you're unsure how to get an API key, check out this video down below, where I guide you step by step. After entering the API key, click the Check Key button. Within a few seconds, a pop-up will confirm whether your API key is valid. If it's valid, you're all set. If not, double-check your key and ensure your OpenAI account has some credits. Don't worry, Fiverr Mate uses a minimal amount, so even $5 worth of credits can last for months. Once you've set it up, close the extension and click on Mate AI in the Fiverr Mate menu. You'll see 3 options: Generate Gig Titles, Generate Gig Descriptions, and Generate Gig FAQs. These tools use AI to create keyword-optimized metadata tailored for your gigs. For example, let's try generating gig titles. Click on Gig Titles, and after a few seconds, you'll see a list of suggestions. Each title is specifically optimized for your gig, so you don't need to worry about duplication issues on Fiverr. You'll also notice a number in front of each title, indicating its character length. It's best to use titles between 65 and 70 characters for optimal performance. To copy a title, simply click the copy button next to it. You can generate new sets of titles as many times as you like. Similarly, you can generate gig descriptions and FAQs, ensuring that all your metadata is optimized and ready to use. This feature is a game changer for creating standout gigs effortlessly. Feature number 7, Green Services. The Green Services feature provides a high-level understanding of Fiverr's categories and their competition. To use it, click on the Green Services menu item and wait a few seconds for the results to load. Since this feature performs live data crawling, it might take a bit of time, but the insights are well worth the wait. Once the data is loaded, you can navigate through Fiverr's categories, each with its own subcategories showcasing individual services. For every service, you'll see key analytics such as the number of competitors, dominating level, and the difficulty of ranking a gig, especially if you're a low-level seller. If you're planning to start a new service or switch to a different category, this tool is a game changer. It saves you from manually navigating through every service to gather analytics. Instead, you get everything in one place, making it incredibly convenient and efficient. Isn't that amazing? With this feature, you can make informed decisions and find opportunities to excel in less competitive niches. Feature number 8, Gigs Rank Checker. The Gigs Rank Checker does exactly what its name suggests. It helps you check your gigs ranking for specific keywords. To use it, click on the Gigs Rank Checker menu item and a pop-up will appear. Here, you need to input 2 things: the gig link you want to check and the keyword keywords you want to check for. You can add multiple keywords by separating them with commas. Keep in mind that the more keywords you enter, the longer it will take, as this tool performs live crawling to fetch accurate rankings. For example, let's say I searched for logo design on Fiverr and navigated to page 7 to pick a random gig. I'll choose this gig. Then I copy the gig link and paste it into the rank checker. For demonstration, I added 2 keywords to analyze. Once you've entered the details, click search and wait for the results. I'll fast forward here to show you the outcome. As you can see, the tool identified the gig on page 7 for the keyword logo design. For the other 2 keywords, it didn't find the gig within the first 10 pages. This gives you clear insights into where your gig stands without manually navigating through Fiverr's pages. It's a time saver and an incredibly useful tool for tracking your gig's performance across different keywords. Pretty amazing, right? With the gig's rank checker, you can effortlessly monitor your gig rankings and strategize for better visibility. Feature number 9, Review Insight Pro. This Review Insight Pro is an exciting new feature designed to analyze buyer feedback on sellers. Using AI, it helps you gain insights from reviews for you to provide better service and outrank other competitors from service level. While it's still in the experimental phase, it's already proving to be a game changer. To get started, click on the Review Insight Pro menu item. First, you'll need to select the star ratings you want to target. For example, if you want to analyze reviews with 1-star and 2-star ratings, simply select those and click Next. Then, choose the seller levels you want to include in your analysis. For this demonstration, I'll select Beginner and Level 1 sellers for simplicity. Click Next to proceed. You can also include or exclude specific gigs by clicking on them in the interface. For instance, if you decide to include a particular gig, you'll notice the estimated review count increases accordingly. Once you've finalized your selection, click Next and start the process. Depending on the number of reviews being analyzed, the process might take some time. I'll fast forward to the results to save time. Alright, we got reviews ready. Keep in mind that feedbacks are not yet generated. Let's start by exploring the upper tabs. You'll notice 2 tabs, Reviews and Feedbacks. First, navigate to the Reviews tab. Here, you'll find all the raw reviews collected from sellers. You can easily download them in various formats, such as JSON, CSV, or PDF. Additionally, you can visit the gig associated with any review by simply clicking on Visit Gig next to the respective review. Now let's generate feedback. Switch to the Feedbacks tab. This section provides multiple options to filter reviews before sending them for AI analysis. You can filter reviews by word count or exclude reviews containing specific keywords, which you can enter separated by commas. Below the filters, the tool estimates the required tokens and the API cost for analyzing the selected reviews, so make sure you have sufficient credits in your OpenAI account. For this demonstration, I'll send all the reviews for analysis without applying any filters. Simply click on the Generate Feedbacks button and wait for the process to complete. Now that we've generated a group of feedbacks, you'll notice that if a large number of reviews are analyzed, multiple groups will appear. To view the feedbacks, simply select Group 1. Inside, you'll see the analysis categorized into 6 key factors. Each feedback provides a detailed breakdown, including the complaint, an overview of the issue, its impact on customers, what customers expect, the urgency of addressing the issue, and actionable steps to improve your service. Additionally, it offers a checklist of improvements, points to include in your gig description to reassure customers, and extra suggestions for refinement. These insights give you a comprehensive understanding of the issues raised by customers, helping you turn complaints into opportunities for growth. You can navigate through the 6 factors one by one and download the feedback in various formats for later review. It's important to download them since the tool doesn't store feedback for future access. It's your responsibility to save them. By leveraging Review Insight Pro, you can elevate your services to a professional level in any field. Remember, while many sellers focus solely on achieving higher ranks, delivering quality customer service is the most crucial factor for long-term success. Keep that in mind as you use this tool to enhance your offerings and build a lasting reputation. Feature number 10, SEO Mate Pro. This exciting new feature is designed to help sellers optimize their gig metadata with a live scoring system provided by Fiverr Mate. It also includes keyword statistics to guide your decisions. To begin, click on the SEO Mate menu item. In the pop-up, type your target keyword, the one you want to rank for. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of available keywords, each accompanied by key statistics, competitor gig count, active orders in queue, and dominance level. Some keywords may lack complete statistics, but updates are continually improving the data. When selecting a keyword to work with in SEO Mate, prioritize those with lower gig counts and higher active orders in the queue. Additionally, pay attention to the dominance level, although this factor may not be as critical if you're a high-level seller. Once you've chosen your primary keyword, click on it. If your desired keyword isn't listed, you can add it manually by clicking the plus button. Next, select secondary keywords that are closely related to your primary keyword. Explore the list, load more keywords if needed, and add your choices by clicking the plus button beside each one. Once your secondary keywords are set, start building your metadata. Aim for an SEO Mate score of at least 75% to ensure strong optimization. Finally, download your progress as a PDF report by clicking the Download Report button. This allows you to keep a record of your optimized metadata for future reference. And that's all for this feature. Simple, powerful, and effective. Feature number 11, Keyword Explorer. The Keyword Explorer is one of the core features of Fiverr Mate, providing invaluable insights into the keywords and tags used by sellers. The first tab displays tags utilized by sellers in their gigs, along with the number of sellers who have included each tag. This feature allows you to identify popular and relevant tags for your gig. Beyond tags, Keyword Explorer also analyzes keywords used in gig titles, links, descriptions, and FAQ sections. These areas are critical for SEO optimization, and identifying the right keywords can significantly boost your gig's visibility. The tool enables you to spot hidden and effective keywords commonly used by top sellers, helping you align your gig's SEO strategy with proven practices. The description and FAQ tabs are particularly noteworthy as they match users' descriptions and FAQs with Fiverr Mate's up-to-date keyword database. This ensures you can easily uncover the specific keywords sellers use in their gigs, even the ones they might not want you to know. Since these tabs perform detailed matches, they may take a few seconds to load, but the results are well worth the wait. To copy keywords, simply click on any keyword and select the Copy Selected button. Alternatively, you can copy all keywords displayed in the current tab with a single click. With Keyword Explorer, you gain a powerful tool to enhance your gig's SEO and stay competitive in your niche. Feature number 12, Gig Card Explorer. The Gig Card Explorer is a powerful feature packed with insightful tools to analyze gig performance and metadata. Each gig card comes with enhanced elements that provide detailed information for strategic analysis. At the top of the gig card, you'll find a download button that allows you to easily download gig images as a zip file, which can be useful for editing new gig images, color matching, or adding to a design board for replication purposes. Next to it is the Gig Inspector, which offers an in-depth look into the gig's metadata, including its title, description, tags, and Q&A. This tool also lets you generate improved SEO-friendly metadata, such as gig titles, descriptions, and Q&A, by focusing on the style and keyword use of the analyzed gig. Each gig card includes a checkmark indicator to show if the search keyword is exactly used in the gig title, helping you identify how many sellers are leveraging that specific keyword. Additionally, there is an estimated last modified date, giving insights into how recently the gig was updated and its relevance to current market trends. Some gigs, despite not being updated recently, maintain high rankings due to substantial order volumes, providing valuable data on ranking factors. The card also features estimated metrics, including the number of orders completed and lifetime earnings, calculated through detailed analysis of thousands of sellers. At the bottom, the tags view reveals the tags used in the gig, offering a glimpse into its keyword strategy, while the ranking view shows the gig's position for specific keywords. The Gig Card Explorer is an all-encompassing tool designed to help sellers analyze competitors' gigs, optimize their own, and improve their rankings effectively. Feature number 13, Description Analyzer. The Description Analyzer is a straightforward yet effective tool designed to focus solely on analyzing gig descriptions in detail. When inside a gig picked from the search results, you can start by using the manual review mode to type any keyword you wish to analyze. After typing the keyword, click on Search, and the tool will highlight where the keyword is used within the gig description and how naturally it is integrated. This allows you to evaluate the keyword's placement and distribution throughout the description. Alternatively, you can use the automatic detection mode by clicking on Explore Target Keywords. This mode automatically detects and highlights keywords used in the description, showcasing how they are naturally spread across the content. The process may take a few seconds to complete, but it provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of the keyword strategy used in the gig description. The Description Analyzer is a simple yet powerful feature that helps sellers refine their descriptions and improve keyword usage for better visibility and SEO performance. All right, mates, that wraps up all the features available in the latest version of Fiverr Mate. With tools like keyword explorers, gig rank checkers, metadata downloaders, and advanced AI-driven insights, Fiverr Mate is the ultimate companion for sellers aiming to optimize their Fiverr journey. Don't wait. Install Fiverr Mate today, upgrade to Pro, and unlock unlimited access to all these incredible features. The cost is easily recoverable with just one Fiverr order. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us via Skype. Wishing you all the best on your journey to success. Have a fantastic day.